if you don't want a particular add-on, you can remove it out easily from Google Calendar. So to do that, I'm going to go around into the settings menu, and then I'm going to go to get add-ons option right here. Once you go to get add-ons, you'll access the marketplace for add-ons. But if you want to remove it out, you can go around over here on to settings, and then you can go around into manage apps. So once you go to manage apps right here, you can see that Zoom and Jitsi Meet right here, table of contents, and there's a diagram and so forth. So whatever things that you have installed on your G Suite will appear right here. So it's not just Google Calendar right here. So related to Google Calendar, I got time management, Jitsi, and Zoom. So let's say I want to uninstall this. So I can go around into option for this, click on uninstall, and I can uninstall app. And then what happens is that has been removed. I'm going to uninstall this as well. I'm going to go to uninstall app. Gonna go around over here, uninstall this app as well. So now what happens is that I'm going to go around right here and refresh out the calendar. So once I do that, you can see that Zoom is there. But now if I were to go around and then edit this, right now it is here. So Zoom has not been removed yet. Let me just try out again. So I'm going to go around into the settings menu. I'm going to go around into not the settings, but I'm going to go around into get add-ons. And then I'm going to go around into manage the apps again. So let me go to manage app here. So it has been uninstalled. So let me just refresh this and the Zoom should go away. So now Zoom is not there anymore. So it does take some time when removing add-ons. So now there is no Zoom anymore. You don't have the selection option right here, as you can see. And that is how you can remove out add-ons from within Google Calendar. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.